Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a beekeeper? Whether you're passionate about honey, pollination, or just fascinated by these incredible insects, taking a beekeeping class is the perfect way to get started. Beekeeping classes offer hands-on experience and expert guidance to help you understand the art and science behind managing a hive. In these classes, you'll learn the basics of bee biology, hive maintenance, and how to keep your bees healthy throughout the year. You'll gain practical skills like how to inspect your hive, manage pests, and harvest honey safely. Plus, there's nothing quite like tasting your own fresh honey, a sweet reward for your hard work. Beekeeping classes are perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and even those interested in starting a small business. Whether you have a backyard or a rooftop, beekeeping can be incredibly rewarding, and classes will help you build the skills and confidence you need to succeed. Basic beekeeping classes include topics such as how and why to feed your bees, honey production and extracting, queen rearing, mite testing and treatment, routine hive inspection, and reading the comb. Prior bee experience is not necessary for the basic classes. Students must dress accordingly for classes working with beehives. All participants must wear a bee veil at minimum, but a bee suit is not required. Students are asked to provide their own protective equipment. Take your beekeeping journey to the next level with our intermediate beekeeping course, designed for those who already have basic knowledge of hive management and are ready to dive deeper into the more complex aspects of beekeeping. This course builds on foundational concepts and focuses on enhancing your skills in colony management, advanced techniques, and troubleshooting common challenges faced by beekeepers. Throughout the course, you will learn how to manage multiple hives, implement advanced methods for hive health and productivity, and tackle issues such as swarming, queen management, and optimizing honey production. You'll also explore techniques for improving colony strength, preventing diseases, and sustaining healthy, resilient bees. The course includes practical tips on expanding your apiary, maintaining consistent production, and creating a balanced ecosystem within your hives. Sign up for a beekeeping class today and take the first step toward becoming a guardian of these vital pollinators.